Hey guys, welcome back to Vathos Technologies. My name is Eric. In this video, I'm going to show you how to develop a simple TCP chat room using Python. So this project is for beginners learning networking, cybersecurity, and socket programming. As always, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Please use it responsibly. Alright, in our previous lessons I've taught you how to because the first thing we are going to be doing is we're going to be creating our project. Okay, in our previous two lessons I've showed you how to do that, so I'm not going to be doing that. And which are these guys? This one is how to run DDoS attack using with Python, and this one is how to develop a scanner using Python. That's powerful videos. You're going to grab value from this video, so just watch this video. You see how what I did there is very important. So but I'm not going to be doing it from scratch, but let me just show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to create a new project. So to do that, you just click on this file, go to new, so you name your project and whatever, so you click on create. Okay, so after that you're going to be creating two Python files, and to do that, after you have created your project, so your then you go to new, so you click on Python file, so you name your Python file whatever. After putting the name, you click .py. okay, then you hit on your keyboard, your enter keyboard, so you just click on it, so it will be created. Now you have been hearing about TCP. So when you do that for server, you also do that for client. You have to create two files for this tutorial. So you have been hearing about TCP. So what is TCP chat room? What is TCP chat room? Now let me explain that. A TCP chat room is a simple messaging system built using TCP, which means transmission control protocols, where multiple users, which are the clients, can connect to a server and send and receive messages in real time, just like the way you do on WhatsApp. Okay, so how it works, I want to show you how this thing works now. Before that, of course, you should have installed your PyCharm. Okay, you have to install your PyCharm. Before we begin, you must make sure you have Python installed on your system. We are also going to use the basic Python libraries, so no external installation is needed. So just download your PyCharm. I have showed you how to do that. I've showed you how to do that already. So, and the next thing is to build the two files, which I've told you after creating your project to create your new files. So then you start building your server, so which is what I'm explaining now. Alright, which is what I'm explaining now. Now I have written the code already, so let me quickly explain this code so that we can kick off from there. Alright, so what is happening here, I have written the code already. So what you are going to do, just check the description below and just copy this code. So after you have created your file, your server file, just come there and paste it. Okay, I'm also going to drop the script, the script of the client, which is this guy. Then you copy it and paste it and create a new file for your own and paste it there. All right, so that it's going to be easy. All right, so let me explain what is happening in this script, in this code I've written here. So this is a Python server. The server side, this is the server side. We have the server side and the client side, right? So the server side is a Python server listening for incoming client connections on a specific port, which we are going to be using this port. Okay, so this server is going to be listening for the incoming client connection. Okay, when a client connects, the server accepts it and keeps the connection open. Okay, the server receives messages from any client and broadcasts them to all connected clients, and you are going to be seeing that now. So in the client side, what the client does. So basically, what the server does is listening for an incoming connection from this client, and multiple clients can connect as much as them, and as many as them they can connect. So the client side, each client connect to a server using the server's IP and port, which is this guy. So using the server's IP, as you can see, the IP address I'm using here is my local host, and we are using this port. Okay. So the clients can send messages to the server. The client can send messages to the server and receive messages from others as well via the server. So this client, it can send messages to the server and also receive messages from other clients that connect. All right. So why do we use TCP? Why do we use TCP? TCP ensures that messages are delivered in order. No data is lost or corrupted during this transmission. All right. So the connection stays open for continuous communication. All right. So this is basically an app. All right. So I want to be demonstrating this right now. So let us run this. Okay. Now let us run it. Let me play this. Okay, and see what is happening. So as you can see, our server says server is listening. So this server is listening for the what? For any incoming client connections. Okay, let us go to the client and connect right now so that you see what I'm telling you. As you can see, it says choose your nickname. All right, let me choose my nickname, and my name is Eric. Okay, my name is Eric. Let me put my full name. My name is Eric SAG. All right. So as you can see, it said Eric SAG joined, connected to server. Okay, let me go to the server and check. As you can see, it said connected with so and so. This is the my IP address, which is the local IP address I'm using. And this is the port I connected with. And it said nickname is Eric SAG. So the server is now showing you that Eric SAG has joined you. His nickname is what? Eric SAG. All right. So let me go back to the client, and now I can chat. Now I can say hello. I can say hello. As you can see, when I said hello, it said Eric SAG says hello. Eric SAG says hello. I can say how do you do? Like I say how do you do? All right. I say how do you do? As you can see, it said my nickname. How do you do? If you go to the server, you will not see the chat. It's only the client that's supposed to see the chat, because this is secured. Okay. So just like WhatsApp are not seeing your chat. Okay. Because it's highly encrypted. Even WhatsApp cannot see your messages. All right. So this is just like a. So now, the only thing with PyCharm is that we cannot connect with multiple clients cannot connect using PyCharm. That's why I'm going to use my command prompt, so that I can connect with this server with what? Multiple clients. Just that means more than one client. Okay. So let me end the program. Okay. Let me end this. So I've ended that, and so before you do that, make sure you have stopped the program. Make sure nothing is running here. So when you are done with that, so come here and open your command prompt, so that now this is when we do this is where we do the practicals. So you search for your command prompt, which is you do cmd, which is your command prompt. So I'm going to open 4 windows here. I'm going to open 4 windows here, and the first window, which is this one I just opened, is going to be for our server. Okay, it's going to be for our server. All right. So let me open again. Just follow me closely. Let me open again. So this one is going to be for our one of our clients. Okay, just like I want to use multiple clients, which are PyCharm. this is our PyCharm here. This is our PyCharm, which it was not able to do. So you can't do it on PyCharm. You can only connect with just one client. Okay, just one client, which is this guy. So you cannot run with multiple clients. That's why I'm using what? Command prompt. So let me open again. So if you open again, you search CMD. You search CMD. So we are going to use this window for another client, okay? We're going to use this one for another client. Okay, so I want it. All right, so let me open the last one. Let me open the last one, and I want to also use this one for another client. All right, we are good to go. All right, guys, so the first window here, we are going to be using it as the server, and this second window here, which you are seeing here, we're going to be using it as the first client. All right, then this third window here, we are going to be using it as the second client, and this one is the third client. So 1, 2, 3 is going to be our client, and while this one is going to be our server. Now, how do we connect this? How do we connect this? So to connect this, first of all, you come to your PyCharm. This is where we are going to connecting the parts of this our project. So what you do when you come to this place, you right click on this, you go to copy part. Okay, when you go to copy part, you go to absolute path. So you just click on this place, it will be copied. So when you come back to this place, so what you do is, now we want to navigate to that path so that we can be able to connect it to our CMD, which is our command prompt. So we say CD, and I will paste that part I just copied. I said okay, as you can see, it has been connected. So the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be saying py, then we say server. Remember, it's server we are connected, server.py, which is this guy. Okay, server.py. So that's what I'm doing here. We want to connect it. So this py means Python server.python. Okay, that's what they're doing here. So when you come here, you click on OK. As you can see, it said that what our server is listening. All right, so let us connect the client. All right. So when we come to this place, we also do the same thing. We say cd, which is so we say cd, we say OK, then we say Python, we say client, we say client.python. all right. So you hit OK. As you can see, it says choose your nickname. So this client has been connected now. It says choose your nickname. All right. It has not been connected yet, but it's almost there. So let us connect these guys also. So let me do the same thing. I say OK. Say py client dot. Sorry, I did a mistake here. Okay, let me just continue. Let me say py dot py. So as you can see here, it said choose your nickname. The reason why I got an error, I did not spell the client well. Where is it? So I didn't spell it well. That's why I got an error. So now it said choose your nickname. So let me connect this one also. Let me say cd, say py, I say client, right, .py. As you can see, say choose your nickname. So this is the server, client. So first client, second client, and third client. So let me now connect the first client. So let me say my nickname here is what? Vathos. I say my nickname here is Vathos Technologies. Vathos Technologies. Alright. So let me say, okay. So as you can see, immediately I did that, it said Vathos Technologies joined. So I just joined the group chat. It said connected to server. So I've been connected to this server now. As you can see, it said here connected with so and so IP address, which is the IP address on port so and so. That's what I used to connect. And it said nickname is Vathos Technology. So the server has recognized that a connection from a client. There's a connection from a client. So a client has been connected. So let me go to this second client, and let me say my name here is Eric, which is my real name. I said Eric. So as you can see, it said Eric joined, connected to server. As you can see here, when you come to server, it said connected with so and so port, with so and so IP address on port so and so. It said, and the nickname is Eric. So let me go to the third client and say my name here is let me say Vathos. Let me say Vathos. As you can see, it said Vathos joined, connected server. So as you can see here, it said the nickname is Vathos. Alright, and once you are joining, other clients will be saying that you are just like when you are joining a group chat. So this is so amazing. This is so amazing. You can you can just create this and make it your project. This is a cybersecurity project, a networking project, and this is so powerful. And right now we are offering a mentorship on cybersecurity, networking, and ethical hacking, even on data analytics and web design. So if you're interested, kindly enroll for our mentorship training. What we are showing you here, what we are showing you here on YouTube is just honestly just 1% of what we have in store for you in our mentorship training. So kindly enroll to our training. Alright, thank you. So let's continue. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, please. It's vitally important. Like and subscribe and even share. Thank you. So let's continue. Sorry. So now let's we can start chatting now. So the connection has been done, so we can start chatting. So let me the first client, which is Vathos Technology. So let's say hello. Let's say hello from here. So when you say hello, you say Vathos Technology, say hello. So you see that the second client will receive it, also hello, and the third client will receive it, also hello. So this is wonderful. This one can say hi. Okay, this is also interesting. This one can say hi, Vathos Tech. Let me say Vathos Tech. Hi, Vathos Tech. Something like that. You can just say that. So you can say you say hi Vathos Tech, and this guy will receive it, hi Vathos Tech, and also the third client will also receive it. And the third client can chat, or this guy can reply and say Eric, I'm good, because that's the name of the second client. You say Eric. You say Eric, I am good. Eric, I am good, and you receive it. Eric, I am good from Vathos Tech. So this one just sent the message in the group, and this guy also replied. So this guy can also chat and say, please guys. I said please. I said please guys. Any updates? Please guys, any updates? And you will send it, and everybody will receive it. So they can just keep chatting. They can just keep chatting. Like, this is so interesting. This is also interesting, and this is how to develop a TCP chat room using Python. Alright guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Vathos Technologies for more reward Python and cybersecurity content like this. Alright guys, don't forget, if you build your own TCP chat room, just drop the link or tag me. I would love to check it out. Alright, see you in our next videos. Thank you for watching guys. Alright, this is Vathos Technologies. Thank you.